Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the About Phone section, then go to the factory reset. Wait, excuse me, wrong operation. So when you're in settings, you have to go to the connection and sharing, scroll down to the bottom and select reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Then select reset settings and then tap OK, and after that all of the network settings will be reset to its default. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.